How to use Cash App at gas station without card. To utilize Cash App at a gas station without your card, follow these steps. Locate a Cash App accepting gas station. Not all gas stations support Cash App payments, so identify one in your vicinity that does. Search online or contact local stations to confirm their Cash App acceptance. Once you've found a Cash App accepting station, the payment procedure is straightforward. Open the Cash App and tap on the payments dollar icon to reach the home screen. Look for the QR scanner positioned at the top left corner and tap on it. Scan the QR code available at the station's point of sale or with Square sellers. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete the payment using Cash App. In rare instances where the station accepts Cash App but lacks a QR code, an alternative method involves making a direct transfer using their cash tag. This functions akin to a regular bank transfer, requiring their username instead of an account number. Upon entering their username, you'll need your transaction key to finalize the transfer. Subsequently, presenting the receipt allows you to complete your purchase as usual.